Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to tackle the Developing SQL Database Optimizing Performance for Database Instances Part 1. The Optimizing Performance for Database Instances Part 1 module provides you with the instructions and devices to help you hands-on skills with the following topic: working with temp database, DB database, working with dynamic management views, working with memory management. The four exam objectives that are covered in this lab: demonstrate how to optimize the performance of TempDB by configuring it. Demonstrate how to set a memory option to optimize memory configuration of the server. Demonstrate how to obtain information on weight statistics using dynamic management views. Demonstrate how to monitor and analyze storage issues. Uh, issues using DMV. So before we start, there are two labs that we're going to use. I choose personally I choose the lab SQL01, but if in case that there's a problem, the SQL01, try SQL02. If both of them having a problem, I would suggest that uh, maybe restart, laptop restart, phone restart, or computer restart, and then goes back again. That's it. So let's get right into it. Then, exercise 1: working with TempDB database. The TempDB is a system database that stores all types of database objects such as user-defined tables, indexes, global and local temporary tables, and so on. The TempDB database does not allow you to perform certain tasks. Some of them are as follows: backup or restore the database, drop the database, set the database to offline mode, rename the database. In this exercise, you will learn to work with the TempDB database. Please refer to the course material or use your preferred search engine to research this topic in more details. Task 1: configure the TempDB database to optimize the performance. In this task, you will perform the following operations by executing certain system queries in the TempDB database. View the size of the TempDB database and the file growth parameters. Monitor the disk space of the TempDB database using the system DMDB file space usage dynamic management view. Determine the amount of free space in the TempDB database. Determine the list of active transactions and the longest running transaction in the database. So, step 1. Okay. Ensure you power the required devices to connect to PLAB SQL01 or SQL02 if it is in case that it's not working. The SQL01 is not working. It's your choice. Either one of them. It's on you. Okay. Step 2. From the PLAB SQL01 desktop, click Start and click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's shrinking a little bit. Okay, the Connect to Server dialog box appears. From the server type drop-down list, click Database Engine. The server name. Okay, then click Connect. Sorry about that. Ran it ahead of time. Okay, step 3. The SQL Server Management Studio window open. In the Object Explorer, click the Expand the Database folder. Expand. You can either double click the database or use the expansion, which is from the side there, the positive and negative sign. So step 4: the select database from the list of databases. Click the expand system databases. So expand. Okay. Right click tempdb. From the context menu, click properties. Step 5: the database properties tempdb dialog box appears. In the left pane panel, under select a page, click options. Hold on, we'll find it. Oh, too much. Okay. Option. In the right pane or panel, ensure that the recovery model is set to simple. Okay, this is the recovery model, and this is you can choose either of them, but as the instructions said, it is simple. Switch to simple. Click OK to close the dialog box. Okay. Step 6. To create new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. The query has been opened. Now, let's set up. Then, type the following query in the new query panel, which is long, but I can make it. Select name as file name, size 1.0/128 as file size in MB. Case max size. When okay, when 0, then auto growth is off. When -1, then auto growth is on. Next, else log file will go to maximum size of 2 TB, and growth as growth value growth increment equals the case. Bring it down so we can see. Okay, when growth 0, then size is fixed, and when not grow, when growth 0 and is percent growth is to 0. Oops. Hold on. Where was I? Okay. Then go to 0. Growth value is in 8 KB pages. Pages. Else growth value is percentage, and from 10 DB system database files. Go. Okay, you can see I put everything. It's not what I expected, but okay, it's fine. To run the query, click execute or F5. When? Hold on. When? Hmm. Oops. Is it always like this? Hold on. Let's see. Let's speak about it. Oh, I understand. I understand. No wonder. The dot. Now I feel something off. I see. Okay. Then execute again. See? Okay, that's good. The query runs successfully and the result says it's displayed. No, I made something wrong, but I don't care. So create a new query from the query ribbon, click new query. Type the following query in the new query panel. So select sum allocated extent page count as 3 pages. Sum allocated extent page count 1.0 128 as free space in MB from system dm/db file space usage. Okay, so this is the system query. The query displays the free space and free pages available in TempDB database. The free space is calculated in megabytes. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Okay, these are the free pages, free space. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. Okay, to create a new query again, click New Query. Type the following query in the New Query panel. Select transaction. Oops. ID. Um, System DM. Done. Active. Snapshot. The database. Transaction. Then order by elapsed time. Oops. Okay. 9 seconds. Then description. So okay. This is a system query. The query determines the longest running transaction. To run the query, click execute or press F5. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. The result set is dynamic in nature and can differ in production environment. Close all query windows without saving the queries. Okay, we're not gonna save everything. So let's without saving. Okay. Exercise 2. Working with Dynamic Management Views. Dynamic Management View, or DMV, provides server state information that helps to monitor the database, diagnose, and troubleshoot problems. The DMVs are present in the system schema. The DMV begins with DM. In this exercise, you will learn to work with dynamic management views. So, task 1. Obtain information on weight statistics. When you troubleshoot the SQL Server performance, you must initially check for weight statistics. The weight statistics include the concept of queues and weights. In this task, you will perform the following operation to obtain information on weight statistics using System DMOS weight stats DMV in Systems Query. Determine the list of weight types with the highest total wait time. Determine the highest signal weights. Identify the active but blocked request. In the Object Explorer, you under System Databases, click Master. Hold on, I just I forgot. Hold on, it's fine. It's fine. Hold on. Okay. Object Explorer under System Database. System Databases. Click Master. To create a new query from the Query ribbon, click New Query. Type the following query in the New Query panel. Hold on. Adjust. Then use Master. Go. Oh my goodness. Go. Go. Select. uh, Select all from System DMOS together with stats. as reading statistics info, where waiting tasks count 0. Okay, order by wait time ms description go. Okay, there's a system query executed in the master database. The query displays the wait type details, waiting task count, and so on. Step 2. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Okay, the query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. The result is dynamic in nature and can differ in production environment. So, okay. Step 3. To create a new query for the query ribbon, click New Query. Another new query, and then type the following query in the new query panel. Pane. Let's say select some signal wait time ms as total signal wait time of CPU. Oops, did I get it right? Okay, okay, got it. Some cast signal wait time ms as numeric 22. Okay, then slash some cast wait time ms wait time ms as numeric, another open close parenthesis, 22 times 100. Then here we go. Let me close this one. As percentage signal weight of total. Okay, time of CPU from system VM OS wait stats. Hold on. Signal wait time. Okay, this is a system query. The query defines the amount of signal wait time for total wait time. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Okay, the query runs successfully and the results get set is displayed. So step 5, to create a new query for the query ribbon, click new query. Type the following query in the query panel or ping. Yes, the query. Okay. Oh, be right back for a moment. It's gonna be a short while. Okay, hold on.